Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to send and get WhatsApp message on Jotform submission using AiSensy. So I run a travel agency and I have created an inquiry form using Jotform. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead confirming the inquiry receipt, and after that automatically I should receive a WhatsApp message with all the inquiry details. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I manage a travel agency and I use Jotform for trip inquiries and booking, as fast and clear communication with clients is crucial. So by integrating Jotform with AiSensy to send and get WhatsApp messages, I can automatically reach out to customer as soon as they submit a form. For example, if someone fills out a form to request details about a vacation package, they will immediately receive a WhatsApp message confirming their inquiry and providing more information about the trip. And also after that, I will be receiving a WhatsApp message with all the details of the new submission that we have received through our Jotform. This way I can respond quickly, keep clients engaged and provide an easy way for them to ask follow-up questions, all helping to build trust and increase bookings. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Jotform with my AiSensy account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus it keeps everything organized and error free so you can focus on growing your business hassle free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send and get WhatsApp message on Jotform submission using AiSensy. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and by clicking on this it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Jotform, as I have created a new registration form using Jotform. So Jotform is an easy to use online form builder that lets you create custom forms, surveys and quizzes without any coding. People use Jotform to gather information quickly, whether it's for collecting feedback, registrations or customer orders. It offers a variety of templates and integrates with other tools like Google Sheets and PayPal, making it a popular choice for businesses, educators and event organizers who need to simplify data collection and streamline process. So in my Jotform trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new response, so that whenever we are going to receive new response through a Jotform, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Jotform with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Jotform account. So this is my Jotform account, and here under my forms you can see all the forms which I've created using Jotform till now. So here in this case I'm going to use a form which is named as ABC Travel Agency. So I'm going to click on this edit form. And from here I'm going to click on the settings, and here under settings I'm going to select integrations given the left side bar, and here under integrations I'm going to select my type of integration, that is webhooks over here. So I'm going to select it, and here under webhooks I'm going to edit the integration, and from here I'm going to remove this previously existing webhook URL from the new webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after entering the new webhook URL, I'm going to click on this complete integration. And here you can see it says integration ready. So now I'm going to click on this finish, and then I'm going to publish this form by clicking on this publish button, and then I'm going to open the link in the new tab. So with this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Jotform, or you can say we have successfully connected our Jotform with Pabbly Connect. So now here in our Pabbly's workflow, you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test response in our Jotform. So for that, let me take you back to my form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter random phone number. Here for the date, I'm going to select a random date. Here for the destination, I'm going to select the destination as Mumbai. Here for the number of person, I'm going to select the number of person as 5. And then I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says your submission has been received. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received response over here, where we have received the details such as the phone number, email, last name, first name, number of person, and destination. Also you can see the date that we have received with the day, month, and year over here. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new response through our Jotform, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead so that I can start engaging with my lead using WhatsApp by AiSensy. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp by AiSensy. So WhatsApp by AiSensy is a tool that enhances WhatsApp messaging for businesses by adding features like automated replies, bulk messaging, and customer support. People use it to manage customer interactions more efficiently, send personalized messages, and automate common tasks on WhatsApp. It's popular because it helps businesses stay connected with their customers on a platform they already use, making communication smoother and more effective. So here in my WhatsApp by AiSensy action step, I'm going to select my action event test, send template message, so that whenever I'm going to receive new response through my Jotform, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead using template message through WhatsApp by AiSensy. And now here to connect my WhatsApp by AiSensy with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp by AiSensy account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key. So here to get this API key, I'm going to follow the instructions given over here, and here I've already logged in my AiSensy account. So this is my AiSensy account, and from here I'm going to click on this manage given the left side bar, and here under manage you can see we have received the option for API key over here. So I'm going to select it, and here you can see our API key. So I'm going to copy the API key, but if you wish, then you can regenerate the key by clicking on this regenerate key option given over here. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the API key. Now here after entering the API key, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And with this, we have successfully connected our WhatsApp by AiSensy with Pabbly Connect. And now here it is asking me to enter the campaign name. So here in the help text it says enter the name of the campaign that has to be sent to the user. It is to be noted that the status of campaign should be live. That means here in this campaign name, I need to enter the name of the campaign which I have created for my template. So here to get this campaign name, what we are going to do is we are going to launch a campaign for our template that we are going to use in this particular step. So for that, let me take you back to my AiSensy account. And here in my AiSensy account, I'm going to click on this campaigns option given the left side bar. And here under campaigns, I'm going to click on this launch button given on the top right corner. And from here, I'm going to select my campaign type as API campaign. And here under API campaign, it is asking me to give a name to my campaign. So I'm going to give the name as send message. And here for the template, I'm going to select the template which I've created with the name send message only. So this is my template. So I'm going to select it. And now here you can see the message which I've drafted, which says, "Hi Juan, thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your inquiry about our travel packages and we are excited to help you plan your trip. Feel free to reply to this message with more details and we will get back to you with the best recommendations. Looking forward to making your travel plans a reality. ABC Travel Agency." So this is the message which I have drafted, and here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. That is because here I want whenever I'm going to receive new form submission through my Jotform, then automatically this previously existing lead name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So this is our message template, and now I'm going to launch my campaign by clicking on the set live button given over here. So here you can see it says campaign has been successfully created. So let's move to the campaign, and here you can see we have successfully created a campaign for our template where the status is live over here, and this is our campaign name. So here I'm going to copy it, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the campaign name. Now here after entering the campaign name, here it is asking me to enter the mobile number. So here in this mobile number field, I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here instead of entering the data manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new response through our Jotform, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the phone number. So for that I'm going to search for the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. So I'm going to map it moving forward. And then here it is asking me to enter the username. So here for the username I'm going to enter my lead's name only. So I'm going to select first name. Moving forward, here the source and tags are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here for the template parameter field, I need to enter the value of my variable that I have used in my template. So here I've already shown you that I have used a single variable in the place of name in my template. So here in this template parameter, I need to map my lead's name only. So here I'm going to select the first name space, then last name. And now here after entering the template parameters, scrolling a little down, here this attributes URL and file name are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I need to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've successfully entered my own WhatsApp number. So moving forward, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to my number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message over here which says, "Hi dummy user, thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your inquiry about our travel packages and we are excited to help you plan your trip. Feel free to reply to this message with more details and we'll get back to you with the best recommendations. Looking forward to making your travel plans a reality. ABC Travel Agency." So this is the message that we have sent using a template message to WhatsApp by AiSensy. So with this, we have successfully set up our action step as well. Now here after sending a WhatsApp message to our lead, what we are going to do is that we are going to receive an automated WhatsApp message for the new inquiry received using WhatsApp by AiSensy. So for that, here I'm going to add another action step by clicking on this add action step button. And here in this action step, again I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp by AiSensy. I'm going to select it, and here for the action event I'm going to select my event as send template message, and now I'm going to click on this connect given over here. Here to build this connection, I'm going to click on the select existing connection because I've already connected my WhatsApp by AiSensy account with Pabbly Connect in my previous step over here. So now I'm going to select the existing connection and then I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and again it is asking me to enter the campaign name. So here to get this campaign name, we need to launch another new campaign for the get message template that we have created. So moving back to my AiSensy account, and here I'm going to launch a new campaign by clicking on this launch button. Here I'm going to select API campaign. Here I'm going to give the name to my campaign, that is get message. Here I'm going to select my template as get message only. This is my template, and here you can see the message which I have drafted which says new travel travel inquiry received. Here are the details: name, email, preferred destination, travel dates, number of travelers. Please review the inquiry and reach out to the clients to discuss their travel plans further. Let's help make their next trip unforgettable. So this is the message which I'm going to get whenever I'm going to receive a new inquiry with all the details. So here you can see I've used a variable in the place of name, email, preferred destination, travel dates and number of travelers. So this is my message template, and now I'm going to launch my campaign by clicking on the set live given over here. And here you can see it says campaign has been successfully created. So now I'm going to move to the campaign, and here you can see my campaign status has been live over here, and this is my campaign name. So I'm going to copy it. Moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the campaign name. And now here, after entering the campaign name, moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the mobile number. So I need to enter my own phone number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message whenever I'm going to receive new inquiry through my Jotform. So I have successfully entered my phone number, and here for the username I'm going to enter my company name, which is ABC Travel Agency, and then again the source and tags are not a required field, and then here it is asking me for the template parameter. So here in this template parameter field, I need to map the values of my variables that I've used. So this time I have used 4 to 5 variables in my template. So here I'm going to map the details of each variable line by line. So here to get the series of the variable, let me take you back to my AiSensy account, and here you can see the template. So firstly we are going to map the name, then we are going to map the email, then destination, travel dates and number of travelers. So let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow, and firstly here I'm going to map the name that we have received. So this is our lead's name, comma, then we are going to map the email address, comma, then we are going to map the destination. So this is our destination, comma, then we are going to map the date. So here you can see we have received the date over here like this. So we are going to map it accordingly. So firstly we are going to map the month, then we are going to enter a dash, and then we are going to map the day, and then we are going to enter a dash, and then we are going to map the year. So here I'm going to replace it with the dash, and then we are going to insert a comma, and lastly we are going to map the number of travelers. So this is the number of travelers. So with this we have successfully entered all the values of a variable over here. So moving forward, and then again this attributes, URL and the file name are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send text request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new WhatsApp message to our phone number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message which says new travel inquiry received. Here are the details: name dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here you can see the preferred destination as Mumbai, travel dates and number of travelers as 5. Please review the inquiry and reach out to the client to discuss their travel plans further. Let's help make their next trip unforgettable. So this is the message which we are going to receive using a template message through WhatsApp by AiSensy. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. So now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Jotform and our action as WhatsApp by AiSensy 2 times. That means whenever we are going to receive new response through our Jotform, then automatically using a template message through WhatsApp by AiSensy, we are going to send an automated WhatsApp message to our lead for the successful inquiry received. And after that, we are going to receive an automated WhatsApp message on our own WhatsApp number with all the inquiry details using a template message through WhatsApp by AiSensy. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send and get WhatsApp message on Jotform submission using AiSensy. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.